Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get any Sims 4 pack or kit for completely free. This is going to work for all of them, even the most popular ones or the most expensive ones like Growing Together, City Living, and Cats and Dogs, I believe is the name of that one. But yeah, guys, everybody in the comments, let me know what is your favorite Sims 4 pack that you guys want, like your all-time favorite one that you don't have right now that you actually really want to play. Anyways, guys, you're going to be able to get that one here with this tutorial. Just follow along with me here. And it does work for all platforms. So if you're on PlayStation, you want to do this, or PC, EA app, or what's the other platform that gets Sims 4 packs? Anyways, Xbox, Sims 4. Oh yeah, Steam, EA app, PlayStation, and Xbox. It's going to work for all of those. And anyways, I'm going to show you guys right now how this method works. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and you guys are going to see I'm on EA.com. Everything looks normal, Sims 4, nothing special. But we're about to activate the glitch that's going to make us be able to buy be able to get every single pack or kit for completely free without having to spend any money. Like, it's going to be completely free, guys. You're about to witness this. So the glitch is going to be done with this VPN, guys. I'm going to show you how to get the VPN later in the video, but it is with this VPN client right here. And as you can see, I have it opened right now. And what you guys will do is when you get the VPN, you're going to connect to one of the servers on the list here, and you're going to have to connect to one of the American servers. So for the glitch to work, you will have to connect to one of the American servers. It could be any of the servers, but just make sure it's one of the American ones, not like a random, like any of these other countries. So in this video, I will be using this New York City server, and then we will go ahead and click switch on. And then you guys are about to witness how the glitch actually works. So as you can see, it's connecting. Let's just wait a little bit. Sometimes it could take a little bit of time to connect to the server. There we have it, guys. We are connected. It now says switch off, and as you can see, my IP address in the bottom has changed. And now we're going to exit out. Now that we know that we are connected to the VPN, you can even see it in the top left there. It says VPN. We're going to go back into the Google Chrome, and look at that, guys. EA developer detected. All Sims 4 packs / kits are now available for free on any platform. As you guys can see, this is the start of the glitch, and you guys are going to see now how we're going to take advantage of this and get every single pack and kit for free. So we're going to click OK, and it's going to say unlock her code. Please enter the platform you want the code for. Write Xbox, PlayStation, EA app, or Steam. So personally, I play Sims 4 on PS5, so that's where I want the code so I can get everything for free on PS5. But whatever you guys plan, you would write it down. So if you're on EA app or Steam, you would go ahead and type it in, or Xbox, but I'm on PlayStation, so I'm just going to type it in exactly as they did. PlayStation, all right, make sure it's spelled correctly, and we're going to click OK. And now it's generating the PSN code. All right, there we have it, $500 PSN code generated. Your PSN code is 2A9Z-BE22Z-49F1. Redeem this on your PlayStation console. Once credited, you can now go ahead and buy Sims 4 packs and kits for free. So as you guys can see, that is pretty much how the method works. They just gave us a free $500 PSN code. If you selected Steam, they would give you a $500 Steam, EA app, $500 EA app credit, and then for Xbox, the same way. So now we take this code, redeem it on our console of choice, and then we can go ahead and buy any pack or kit that we want for free. So yeah, guys, you would just go ahead now and do that. But now I'm going to show you guys how do you actually get this VPN, because to do this glitch, the method, you have to get the VPN, like this VPN. It doesn't work with any other VPN. So how do we actually get it? Well, you guys are going to want to open up your browser on your iPhone or Android device, or your computer, and you're going to type in this website URL, guys, uluvpn.com. Okay, that's what you guys will type in, uluvpn.com. Make sure you guys spell it correctly. That's YULUVPN.com. You're just going to go on over to it, and then it's going to load to this site. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so it's going to take us to a page that looks like this, guys, and this is where we're going to get our VPN from. So go ahead and click the three lines in the top, in the top menu right here, the three lines there. And then once you click it, you're going to see a bunch of options. You're going to want to click on pricing. Okay, guys, click on pricing. And then you're going to see the monthly package. This is the one we want, guys. It's $3.99. Now, also, I wanted to mention, guys, that like, you guys might be thinking you have to spend money, but actually a cool glitch about this is that if you go into Cash App, you can also get free money with it. So as you guys can see, Cash App developer detected, and we just got free money on Cash App as well by using the glitched VPN. So we're going to go back here, guys, and we're going to go ahead and click the Get Monthly Package. Alright, so we're just going to wait for it to load, and then I'll show you guys what we have to do next in order to finish getting it. So once you're on here, you're going to see this option that says Purchase Package. We're going to click it. You might have to click it 2 or 3 times for it to register. Sometimes the site bugs out, I guess. And then once we're here, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and fill out the information. And to pay, they have credit card, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. So to go ahead now, we're just going to enter our name. Company, you just leave it blank. Country, you put in address, like your actual street address and stuff, you leave it blank. Your phone number you have to type in, and then email address, you're going to want to type in your email, and then your account username and account password. Make sure you guys remember those, because that is going to be how you actually get your VPN credentials after. So you're going to want to make sure you remember everything. Also, the reason it's at $7.98 a month is because I accidentally clicked it. Like before this, I winded up adding it to cart. So I actually added it to cart twice already. To fix that, I would just clear the cache. But no worries. For you guys, it will just add it to cart once. So don't worry about that. Don't panic. And it'll show like $3.99 a month. Anyways, yeah, it's going to be like account username, account password, and then you guys will be good. You're just going to want to make sure you remember it in your brain, or screenshot it, or write it down so you guys don't forget. And then you will check out, like you enter your details and then click send. And then once it processes, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. I'm just going to show you guys. You're going to see something like this. It's going to say order received. And this is where it's going to have your VPN credentials. It's going to say your VPN account username is, and it's going to show it right there. And then it will say your VPN account password is, and it will have it there. I just marked it out so you guys can't like use my VPN. But anyways, once you guys get that, you're going to remember it, write it down or whatever, and then click your account, like this your account button, and it's going to take you to this page. And it's going to say like my account, and it's going to have all these options. You're going to see downloads, right? You're going to click downloads. And then once you click downloads, it's going to take you to this page, and this is where you're going to be able to select where you want to get the VPN on. So they have it for Windows. If you want it on Windows, you would get download Windows app. If you want it on iPhone like me, you would click the download via iTunes Store button. If you want it on Android, like you have an Android phone, you would click download via Google Play. And if you're on Mac, you would click download Mac app. So you select the device that you want it for, you download it, and then you log in with the credentials that they give you. And then once you go ahead and log in, you would go ahead and be able to select your server. Now to actually log in though, once you get the VPN, you see this thing that says settings in the bottom. You click that, and then you enter in your details, and then you'll be able to log in. Now guys, I just wanted to show you what the app looks like on the App Store. As you can see here, I typed in VPN client, and that's it right there. This is what it looks like. And yeah. So thanks guys for watching. That's how you get any Sims 4 pack for free. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.